This is a bird birthday cake. It's made out of pepper ball. Because today is Homer's birthday. Woohoo! Happy birthday, Homer. Would you like a birthday pepper ball? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Homer. Pepper ball? What do you say? Oh, yummy, yum. Oh, you good? Whoop, you knocked off that thingy. Oh, that's a good bird. You look very happy about that birthday pepper ball. Nom, 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 nom. You say thank you? No, that is not one of the things you say. What do you say, guy? Yummy, yummy? You're already eating, so you're not going to say that? Okay, well, happy birthday. You enjoy that yummy pepper ball.